I want to share with you guys one of the issues that we're working on currently, and this is probably going to be one of the most unique ones I've ever attempted to do because we've never done this before, right? Here's the situation. There's currently two doors here. This is the girls' room. This is Melody's, but recently Melody moved in with the other girls. We got a bunk bed. And this door, we don't really like it here for a few reasons. But the main goal of this video is to take this door and to move it down right here. And I don't really know how easy or difficult it's going to be.
My prediction is that it's going to be super easy. He's worried for nothing.
I don't know. I've never done it, but I don't think it's going to be that hard. But at the same time, like, we have to close in this wall. We have to open up this wall over here. We have to move studs. I'm pretty sure this is not a load-bearing wall, so I'm not worried about that. I mean, this is like a big thing.
Even if it was a load-bearing wall, we're only going up enough for a doorway.
I know.
If it can hold a doorway here, it can hold a doorway there.
Yeah. So, we're going to open up the wall now. See what's in there. 16 inches.
Yeah, so anything in here should be fine.
Right there. See those holes? It's right there.
Okay. So, here's good. Here's good.
The next one's like over here.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Here's good. This is where I get it. I also think it should be mentioned that we have done absolutely nothing to this room since we moved in except put furniture in here and hang some stuff on the wall. These shelves were already here, whatever, so.
Can't go back now.
I did it!
Alright.
This is the closest he's gonna let me get to demo.
A wall.
But you know what is not here, at least so far, that you were worried about? There's no wires. Oops.
I knew that was gonna happen. Nothing.
Nothing. The stud's right here.
Yeah, the next one's a little bit more.
There's nothing though. The goal is move the door so that we can move this bed onto this wall.
Because you can't really put the bed anywhere else in the room,
and it's kind of blocking access to the closet. Like there's just like a tiny walkway where if we can come in here, all of this will be open if the bed is over here. Which then you can put the bed there and have a little nightstand with a lamp on it or whatever you need plugged in.
Have the door open up to here too.
Yeah, so the door would open. That's why I said you'd have to.
All right, so it is day number 2 of this door move. Yesterday we took care of these 2 holes in the wall, and today my goal is just to take the trim off around the door, and then cut a rough size hole over here for where the door is going to go, as well as I'm probably going to be cutting some of the wall out to where the switch in the outlet is down here, because those are probably going to have to move. Currently the switch for the room is over here, but once we're done it needs to be like, somewhere around here. So it needs to be moved some. Yeah, I'm going to get started taking up the trim and take out the wall. We're going to only work on the inside of this room today, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so I measured the jamb of the door, which is 32 inches wide by roughly 81.5 inches high. So what I'm going to do is roughly mark it out, and I'm going to go ahead and just cut a hole. We're not going to do the hallway wall yet, we're just going to focus on the inside wall. They use nails for the drywall. Why? Yeah. Pretty clean. I'm pretty happy with that. Look at this.